Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C260 working on Alexa Echo Show. So here I have the camera already working on my app. So the idea is just make the camera work on the app first, and then you can come here with the app, okay, with Alexa. Let me just bring it here. There we go. And then you can just look for a SKU and enable the SKU for the Tapo camera. So just come here to the app and then to the menu and look for SKUs and games. It's not available here for some reason. It was here before, but it's no longer here. So if it happens to you as well, you can just come here and look for skills. So just enter here, skills, hit enter, and you're gonna see this button here that's available to enter the skills and game options, right? So just come here and look for Tapo. There we go. And you just load the skill here. You see that mine is already enabled here. When you get here for the first time, you're gonna see an enable button. Let me just disable mine here so you see how it works. I'm going to disable here. So the first time you're gonna see this one. So it's enable button, just come here and you're gonna link your account. You see this screen here. You just confirm and agree and link the account. Basically, the Tapo apps is linking to Alexa, right? You have your Tapo account and it's linked, then you're good to go. And Alexa is going to look for the devices on your network. I already have my camera added to the system here, so it's not gonna find. In your case, you're gonna see the Alexa finds the camera, right? So for me here, it's okay. I just need to close everything. And I have all the cameras already here. See, that includes the Tapo C260. And then I can just ask here. Let me just unmute her and ask, Alexa, show the Tapo C260 camera.
Okay, opening the Tapo C260 camera.
And there we go. So the camera is available there and it works pretty fine, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have the Echo Show working with Alexa and showing the camera, the Tapo C260. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.